I love this quote from Michael Korda. One way to keep momentum going is to have constantly greater goals. This can be great advice, but goal setting can be a tricky thing. I'm all for setting greater and greater goals for yourself, but what happens when you miss one? For many of us, failing to hit a goal can cause all of our progress to come to a standstill as we try to figure out what to do next. I'm all for setting big, audacious goals, but work on them one at a time. Develop a game plan to get you from where you are now to where you want to be. Set achievable benchmarks to guide your path. If you don't hit one of your benchmarks, it's generally not a problem because none of them is a huge stretch from where you already are. It's easy to get back on track. When you start piling benchmark on benchmark, you'll quickly see that you're making real progress and moving forward. We help you set the business ownership goals that's right for you and then guide you step by step along the way. Before you know it, you're in business for yourself. Ready to set an entrepreneurial goal for yourself? I can help. Reach out soon.